Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti garlic oil with anchovy and caper. For the ingredient we got, everybody know you need the spaghetti. I got a parsley, caper, anchovy. Hot pepper, this is my oil baby. And I got the garlic. And this is the oil I gotta use. First thing I want to chop the garlic. And for the garlic and oil, the spaghetti, you need a lot of garlic. And I got it over here, look how beautiful garlic, okay? And the garlic, I don't want to chop really thin. I do like this, after one time I fry this garlic, I eat. All right, and we put it right on this dish over here. And look how beautiful this garlic, really, really nice. Okay, now we gotta start with the pasta, spaghetti. I got the water boil and I salt it already. Now this dish, it's so easy. When I was in Italy working a farm, you come back home, no time at all. Boil water, pasta, garlic and oil, and hot pepper, 10 minutes. The pasta takes 10 minutes, 10 minutes is done. Now, for start, let's start with the pasta, spaghetti. And the spaghetti you gotta cook 10 to 11 minutes. And we cook, you see, make sure to use a lot of water. A lot of people said to me, Pasquale, why my pasta stick? The pasta stick is you don't got no water. And like this, you see, with a lot of water, big pots, and you put the pasta right inside like this. Okay, now this is on over here, and let's start with the oil. Okay, and we gotta start to do the garlic first. We warm up the oil a little bit. At the time of the pasta be ready, everything you gotta be ready at the same time. Okay, now this is the garlic. Okay, now you see I put it like this, the oil, everything with the garlic. I want the garlic to change the color a little bit. Okay, you gotta be nice, fried, nice. And like this, it tastes more good when you do the garlic like that. Okay, now it's the time of the anchovy. And now this is give it a good smell. All right, look at the anchovy, it's so done. Now we put the hot pepper. We got the caper. Okay, now we load the gas real low. Now everybody see the garlic. It's no, like people, what you do with the garlic, it burns. And when you burn the garlic, the pasta not taste good. It's really bad. The garlic gotta be like this, nice, beautiful color, but not burn. Now another thing, when the pasta is cooked, I take the pasta out. Make sure do not throw away the water, because maybe you need a little water with the pasta. Okay, now the pasta is ready. Turn the gas off and let's put it right on this pots over here with anchovy, garlic, caper. Oh, this here gotta be nice. Look at this. Okay. It's okay when you pick up, you got a little water, maybe I need a little bit more water, okay? All right, now we give a nice turn of this, the pasta, everything you gotta be together with the anchovy, the pepper, the caper. It looks so good, look at that. Okay, we can put a little water, not too much, like this. Now we leave it cook a little bit more like that. Now we take out and let's put it on the table over there. I want to taste the spaghetti. I want really good. Look, it's a beautiful look. This is the spaghetti, garlic and oil, anchovy, and pepper. It's so delicious. When I was in my house in Italy, the people who pass by, everybody say, "Ehi, ma che stai cucinando? Spaghetti, spaghetti aglio e olio, come vicino alla mare." Okay, let's go on the table now. Okay, now it's the time of the taste. And look how beautiful, look at this. Okay, now we put a little pepper, the garlic. Oh, I like the garlic, look at this. And the pepper. And the oil baby, don't forget the oil baby, hot pepper. So good. Now we put a little parsley right on the top. This is a fresh parsley. It's from my garden. Okay. And look how nice it looks, this spaghetti. All right. The oil baby, it's a spice. The anchovy tastes delicious, and the pepper, it's a little salty, but the dish, it's really good. Like I said, no use of too much salt when you put on the water the pasta. Like this, enjoy. And the pepper, it make good taste. And the garlic, oh. Make this dish, and I want to know, if somebody I like, somebody to show it to me, the way I did, it's really good. Thank you so much, and we see you next time. Now everybody think, Pasquale, what happened? You was eat this and that. What happened to the wine? No, what about the wine? It's right over here. The wine, you gotta be on the table all the time. When you cook, when you eat, and I like the wine. Salute. E cin cin everybody, and we see you next time. Cin cin. Ah, really good. Thank you so much. Thank you.